If black men teach, then black boys learn and black people succeed.
Love it. Everyone ready? What's my better side?
My name is John Joseph. I'm one of the co-founders of Black Men Teach.
And I'm Albert Adeyemi, and I'm also a co-founder of Black Men Teach.
So ultimately, we are an organization that is about creating a space where black men and black boys can thrive in education. Today's specific event is focused on the latter parts of that. I have the parents, the teachers, the educators, the community leaders, everybody that's directly involved in the success of the black boy. So that's what this event is about today. We could not have done this. I mean, if you take look behind you, like, come on man, we're on the 10s, isn't it? We're on the 10s. That there's such an important conversation that needs to take place when it comes to black boys and their success within the UK system.
There's so many things that are happening right now that we can't afford to just gloss over it. Would you agree with that one?
Hi, my name is Ademola Adeyeba. I'm the founder of 1000 Black Boys. When we see a young person come in, maybe they're not confident, they're not sure about themselves, and we see that growth, that transformation. It's amazing. So for me, I spoke about our work at 1000 Black Boys, but before that, I really set the context for my own personal experience and also letting parents know that the mindset shift can happen and to share how we can be a partner for them on their journey with their children and their young people.
So we talk about building a black boys community, but a massive part of that is obviously hearing from the voices of young black boys. During the event we've had, the panels for the youth, have the educators panel and the parent panel, just so that everyone understands the different perspectives that come into play with working with a young black boy, whether that's at home, whether that's in school, the challenges they face, the successes.
I'm just so independent now, I can only. Now I want to come back to the story of getting to university, a top university. So I definitely need my parents, but I can now help them, and they can now step back, relax a little bit.
There are young men in here who are younger than you, and even us as old people, I've been teachers for a long time. We look up to you because of how confident you are.
But I'm really proud to hear you speak and to know that it's not your problem, it's theirs.
Mentoring is very important. Black males mentoring black young men is very important. These guys are doing a great job with that.
We are trying to navigate it while supporting our young people, while supporting our parents, but then also for parents to not be afraid to engage and communicate and challenge and ask for support on certain things in the school system as well.
For me, I just want every student that enters either my classroom or the school doors just to flourish in whatever they want to do.
Do be pushy about the things that you want for your children.
And they know that behind that child is a support system, is parents that want them to do well. Then the sessions, they've had a poetry purpose rap session that was interactive, it was great. I think they've got to write a couple of bits down themselves, and all as a group of young people contribute to this larger piece of work.
Courage is knowing your worth runs deep, a strength within that time would sweep. Each step forward, a mark, a sign, that greatness lives in you all the time.
Wow. Love it. Let's get to the chorus one more time. If black men teach, then black boys learn and black people succeed.
Right now in this day and age, there are a lot of young black men who can get distracted and not really focus on what's important. So it's really important for these things to happen.
Being met those amazing people, great people who have really broadened my knowledge. Knowing these people now is really going to better me.
So I think it's amazing how these people create such big opportunities for us young black men.
You can really walk into the room and see that everybody that's in that room wants to learn something when it comes to a black boy. They need to be protected at all costs, they need to be supported at all costs, and that's what it's all about. So we're going to push on for that vision and then just making sure that there's that consistent connection between the community and our organisation.
I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys get home safely.
Can I just say thank you so much?